Well, for one, mas maganda yung depensa namin today. First, the last game we played them, I think Diallo was about 67%. Si Arana was 92% from the field. Si Balti, 100% hindi nag-miss. So, we look at those stats, and their efficiency around the basket was just incredible. Almost 95% on that. So I think that's the first thing we needed to address. We made some defensive adjustments, matchups namin, yung help side namin. We wanted to protect the paint a little bit more, get more rebounds. Doon kami natalo nung huling laro eh. Dinominate nila yung loob. Tapos, we got thrown into the defending those bigs. They got open with their threes. Tuloy-tuloy na, lalo na nung nag-foul out si Dion. We tried to keep close nung time na yun, pero wala kami talagang magawa. Masyado na silang malalaki. We tried to play zone, pero wala rin nangyari. So today we tried to make the adjustments. Mabuti na lang umubra. Pero I'm sure by Sunday we need to step up again. Do or die game for both teams. Isa lang sisiguraduhin ko rito. Pagdating ng Sunday, tapos na to. Hindi ko lang alam kung sino man nanalo. So, yun lang ang prediction ko pagdating ng Sunday. Tapos na to. Mabuti na lang. We were hitting our threes. That helps a lot. When you're making your threes, it helps a lot. Maraming naipasok na dress nung si Adrian.
Thank you, Coach Cheng. Adrian, hindi naging madali yung first 3 quarters mo. But in the fourth quarter, you took it upon yourself. 28 points to push the team to game 3. Saan ang galing ng Adrian?
Saan ang galing na? Siyempre sa mga teammate ko rin. Yun talaga yung bakit ko nakuha yung ganung puntos dahil sa teammate ko. And nag-stick lang kami sa game plan ng mga coaches. And yung mga suggestion ng mga ibang teammate ko. Kaya nakuha namin yung parang.
Thank you, Adrian. We now open the floor for questions from our friends from the press.
Coach, congratulations. Nung game 1, mga si Dion, third quarter pa lang nakapag out. Tonight, this stage, until the last few minutes ng game, ano bagay mo, was able to avoid predicament ng game 1.
Well, you have to learn your lessons. Yun yung natutunan namin. Galit na galit talaga ako kahit kay Kaylan pagka they're committing those, I feel na avoidable fouls, unnecessary fouls. That gets us into foul trouble, give up free throws. Those are the cheap baskets that you give up unnecessarily, hindi naman kailangan. And pagdating sa ganitong series, every possession, every point is going to be important. So we try to emphasize that. Let's not commit the same mistakes. Then, yun nga, we try to play at our pace, which is just be quick, play at a fast pace, move the ball. We had 27 assists, so that's good for us. Yun nga, we shot well with our 3-point shots. And dati, well, hanggang ngayon pa naman, hirap na hirap kami doon sa nila, yung downhill action nila. Kasi magagaling talaga yung mga guardia nila. Mabuti na lang si Heading kanina, may 22 points in the first half. Slow down a little bit in the second half, which is, sabi ko, just weather the storm. Just make the shots difficult for him. Kung magaling siya, magaling siya. Kung mapagod siya, or you played good defense and you made the shots tougher, maybe it will show. At yun nga ang nangyari, na patience lang, kayo rin yun lang. Ganun lang naman.
past few conferences, you've been battle tested. May game 5 na kayo on your resume, semi-final appearances. Do you see it as a good omen entering the final game of the quarterfinals? Kasi hindi pa nakaka-semis yung Converge.
Gustong-gusto namin yung mga ganitong sitwasyon. For a team that's really hoping to develop into a contender, we need these situations. Kailangan namin mga ganitong test sa sarili na this is part of the process. Yung sabi ko nga kanina, bago mag-umpisa yung laro, just fight like hell, be smart. After the game, whatever the result is, we will live with it. So, yun lang, just compete, payurin nyo lang. Gawin lang natin kung ano yung adjustments na ginawa natin. Manalo, maganda. Matalo, tanggapin natin. But you have to fight like hell.
Same mentality.
Same mentality, and we're looking for these kinds of games and tests to see how well we have developed as a team, how we can play under pressure, how we can adapt to situations. Sabi ko nga, solid yung yung front line ng Converge. Kung natural mo lang silang lalaruin, wala kang schemes. Ang hirap labanan nila sa ilalim. So, you really have to scheme their games.
And then, ang dami mo na naman mga gandang moves ka. Sabihin ko yan. Una, pag namamaster yan in second, napipino na ba na parang, kasi yung mga fans parang napansin na rin na magaganda yung mga galaw mo. Maging paborito ko na.
Pakita mo pa paano yung bali.
Okay, may bali.
Wala, ano lang eh. Hindi ko rin alam, ba't nagagawa ko yung mga ganyan. So, naglalaro.
Nakamacho dance eh, mga
O sana lang kayo.
Pero napipil mo ba parang nagiging popular ka na sa mga fans?
May lalo sa amin.
Mga chicks.
Mga awit na.
Ay, teka.
Coach, ang daming highlight reels kanina ni Adrian. May mga nakita ka bang resemblance niya mga players in the past na it reminds you of? Kanina may isa siyang bali na
Wala, nag-iisa lang yung sa mga actually, nung una pa lang na pagpasok niya sa team, sinabihan ko na siya na meron kang talent slashing sa basket, may bilis ka, pero inconsistent yung outside shot mo. Sabi ko, pag na-develop mo yung outside shot mo, may depensa naman siya, athletic naman siya. Pag na-develop niyo yung outside shot, sabi ko, baka mag-MVP ka. So, baka ina-ambisyon niya yung binubola ko lang siya nung naniwala.
Coach, 0-3 kayo sa Antipolo this conference. Your thoughts?
Yung
0-3 kayo sa Antipolo this conference.
ayun ang gusto namin kasi yung odds sa amin. Siguro naman di kami ma-0-4. So, if you're playing the odds, maybe that's good for us.
That ends our post-game press conference. Thank you everyone. Congratulations, Coach Chen and India.